Thursday, Global Studies students, another introductory video for our week. Welcome. It was great to have you guys in school the last few days. It was nice to meet all the cohort C people at Zoom on Tuesday. All right, I want to take just a minute or two here to walk you through our week in regards to making sure that we know what's going on. First of all, our instructions for the week once again are laid out. This week is going to focus in on the piece of writing that you are going to be doing, which is going to focus in on if you could solve a world problem, what would that world problem be that you believe needs to be solved? This week, you'll be watching a couple of different videos to help you along. So today, all right, as we look at Thursday, you are going to watch an introductory video on the essay. Mr. Gallagher has made this. Again, follow step by step after that. If you've already created your world brainstorming document, which many of you have, excellent. If not, continue to come up with those 5 examples and problems that you want to solve. Today is all about background reading, and Mr. Gallagher talked about this in the video. You are not going to be taking notes on this, but we just want you to get some background information, and Mr. Gallagher refers to this in the video. Once you have recorded your background reading, you will record your topic next to your name on the spreadsheet in Schoology. So you will find your class period, and you will write down next to your name what your topic is. Friday, we will actually begin research. Mr. Martini is going to walk you through the research resources we're going to be using. I will walk you through in a video the note card process that we're going to be taking. And again, these will stay up here and will help you out. And then as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are going to be research days. You will do a total of 16 note cards. I also want to remind you that the CNN News is due on the 25th. Make sure you're looking at your calendar and Schoology for due dates and what is being done in class. I hope this helps with a basic introduction for the week. Again, more videos will be coming, and you will see a folder on Schoology labeled the 17th through the 23rd. Thank you, and let's have a wonderful week together.